Clouds can seem like a whimsical playground in the sky, always changing shape and sometimes looking like recognizable objects. But what's happening up there? Is it magic or something a bit more scientific? Let's dive into the fascinating world of clouds and the mysterious phenomenon that makes them take on all sorts of shapes. First, let's think about why we see faces or animals in the cloud formations. This quirky tendency is called pareidolia. It's when our brains try to make sense of random patterns by projecting familiar shapes onto them, like seeing a bunny in a fluffy cumulus cloud, or a dragon in a storm cloud. This ability is thought to have been an evolutionary advantage, helping our early ancestors identify potential threats quickly. So, the next time you spot a cloud that looks like a banana, your brain is not just playing tricks on you, it's working overtime. But it gets even better. Clouds are made up of tiny, lightweight water droplets that collectively weigh tons. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a single fluffy cloud weighing about 1.3 million tons. If you could magically gather all the moisture from one of those puffy clouds, you'd have enough water for not just one, but billions of bathtubs! That's right, clouds are powerhouses of water that play a critical role in our planet's weather systems. They are the reason we have rain, snow, and even the occasional thunderstorm to shake things up. Now, let's talk about the fun vocabulary. The word nimbus comes from Latin, and it's like a secret code word that describes clouds. It appears as a prefix in different terms. For example, there's nimbostratus, which is a cloud type known for bringing steady rain. Fun fact, the movie Contact, where Matthew McConaughey describes clouds as crazy, adds a layer of mystique to these celestial formations. Shifting gears a bit, let's address a mind-boggling fact: the sky isn't blue. Yes, it may look that way, but the reality is far stranger. Deep down, the sky is black! How can this be? The sun emits light across various wavelengths, and it's those pesky little particles in the atmosphere, like dust and pollution, that scatter the shorter blue wavelengths of light more than others. That's why we perceive the sky in hues of blue during the day. It's like nature's very own art exhibit. And what about those breathtaking sunsets? When the sun dips below the horizon, it travels through more atmosphere, scattering the shorter blue waves and letting the reds and oranges shine through. If clouds are around, they can reflect those beautiful colors and create a dazzling sunrise or sunset that makes everyone stop and take a picture. Of course, clouds never stop evolving. Sometimes their sheer presence transforms the colors of the sky. For example, volcanoes can paint the sky a dramatic dark hue with ash and particles, while fog can wrap everything in a soft, muted landscape where lines blur, creating an almost dreamlike state. Who knew the atmosphere could be such a dramatic art form? So, as you look up at the sky, remember there's a fascinating interplay of science, light, and imagination happening above your head. Clouds might just be another part of the weather, but they also ignite our creativity and provide the canvas for many visual wonders. So don't just gaze aimlessly, let your imagination run wild. Now, next time you spot a cloud shaped like a dinosaur, don't forget to appreciate the little dance of particles and your brain playing the ultimate guessing game. There's always something new and exciting happening in the sky. Thanks for joining me on this cloud-filled adventure!